Hey Divas, welcome back to another video. In today's video, you can see from the title, I am going to be doing gel nails at home and putting it to the test. So you guys can see that my nails are looking really crazy. This is just the quick dry Sally Hansen regular nail polish, which is so great for like a one-time use, like if you're going out or you need like a quick fix for like my blue blood video. I had to do my nails, but this is a few days later, and you know, filling bottles and doing dishes and changing diapers all day and using diaper rash cream, my nails chip like crazy. And I mean, is it so hard just to ask for your nails to, you know, stay good, not to chip for at least a week? I mean, come on, the next day they look like chipped everywhere. So I was at Walmart the other day. I love Walmart. I'm a Walmart girl. I know there's Target people and I know there's Walmart people, and I just love myself Walmart. So I was at Walmart and I saw this two-step Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. Now, unfortunately, they only had the matte top coat, not the shiny, which is fine. I don't care if it's matte or shiny. I just love the color that I picked. Little Peony 247. And then this is the step 2 matte top coat. So the best thing about going to the nail salon, but it can get pricey, is that your nails last at least 2 weeks when you get gel. Well, in my case, it does. And sometimes, you know, now that I have a son, I can't just pick up and go to the nail salon with my mom like we used to. Now it's kind of like, is he gonna come with us? Is he gonna stay home? Like, it's just so much more work than saying, Mom, let's go to the nail salon. And we just hop in the car and go. So I wanted to try this gel nails at home to see if it will really work and see if the gel nails will last as long as it does at the nail salon. Even if it lasts a week, girl, I am good with that, because I can't be walking around like this. And trust me, my toes look the same and I just can't take it anymore. Like, it gives me anxiety and I really just do not like the way this looks. So hopefully this will be amazing.
Several days later.
Alright, you guys, so a few days have passed and I can give you a full-on review on this gel nails at home. But I'm going to make you wait a little bit because I'm going to open up this Ipsy for you guys. So I guess you guys will just have to wait on my review for a second. Or, I mean, with the way YouTube works, you could just fast forward a little bit. But hopefully you'll wait to see what I got. Once again, got another one of these in the mail. I don't know what's going on with my subscription. Thought I canceled it, but clearly money's still getting taken out. I'm gonna have to fix that, but let's see what your girl got in this month. First of all, love this. Definitely going to be using this. Favorite thing about Ipsy is the bags. Serafin, it's a Botanicals, and this is Berry Plus Juice, 100% vegan lip gel. On the back, which makes me really happy, is it says it's not tested on animals, it's vegan, GMO free, and gluten free. For those that do not know, I am trying to change like all of my things that aren't cruelty free. Like today I just bought my son some new body wash and lotion, which I'll be sharing the lotion with him. I also bought a cruelty free deodorant and vegan deodorant. So I'm super excited that this is the first thing that I saw that is cruelty free, and I'm excited to use this on my lips. So let's just open it up to see what it looks like. Ooh, okay. This says 100% vegan lip gel, gel gloss. So it's red. Oh, that's really pretty. It gives you like a really nice lip tint. I don't know if you guys can see that. Wish it was clear. That's what I was hoping for, but this is really pretty for like a really kind of like natural flesh tone lip, especially when you blend it out. I'm not going to open everything up, but I was super excited to see cruelty free. I also got the Bye Bye Under Eye by IT Cosmetics. The Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer Base, which looks like this. This one has the little bunny on it as well. I'm not sure which brands are not cruelty free and stuff. I'm still doing my research. So this brand right here is Nomad, and this is Blue Lagoon. What is this? It's a shimmer blue eyeshadow, super cool. The one thing that I always said that I loved about BoxyCharm other than Ipsy was I like that you got like full-size products in the BoxyCharm. The thing with Ipsy that I also love, like I say, is I love that you get a bag and it's also $10. The thing with BoxyCharm is it's $20, $21, but the products are full size. These are more like sample sizes, but I still love it because, I mean, come on, you get a bag. Who doesn't love a bag? And especially the summertime bags. And then this right here is the Tony Moly Peach Punch Sweet Foam Cleanser. So this is what I got in my little Ipsy this month. I wonder if I'll get one next month. I gotta figure out what's going on with my subscription, but your girl thought she canceled, but I guess not. So now let's get into this review. Did it work? Or did it not work? Should I keep going to the nail salon or should I keep doing my gel nails at home? Now I'm going to share a little clip right up here around me, wherever, you know, I got more room to put a video, and you guys are going to see that was just after a few days, and then I repainted them just to see, but I wanted to show you guys what I think it was 2 to 3 days was with this nail polish. You guys can see, not that good. But I wanted to give it one more test. I was going on a date with my husband and his friend from work and his woman, and I repainted my nails. They look the exact same pretty much. I'm going to film a little clip on my phone right here while we're together so I can insert it. So I feel like it might look a little worse, like on my pointer finger, but the product still chips. It's not like when you go to the nail salon, that's some mascara. But yeah, it still is just not as good. I would prefer going to the nail salon, even though it's so much harder now that I have a son that I can't just pick up and go like my mom and I used to. So the thing with a regular nail polish, I'm going to use the Sally Hansen as an example because I use the Speed Dries and I also have Sally Hansen nail gel right here, is that when I use the quick dry, maybe a few hours later to the morning that I wake up the next day, they're already starting to chip. This, I have to say, at least lasted, I painted my nails at night and it lasted like a full day and a half without it chipping. Now I also have this product on my toes and it hasn't chipped yet. So this might be perfect for my toes, and it looks really, really pretty on my toes. I know I keep saying my toes, but I'm a person that, like, I love my feet. I'm not like, oh, I don't like my feet. Like, girl, I love my feet. I think I got some cute feet. So when I look down and I see like a really nice light pink nail polish, it just makes my toes look even better than they already do. Because I love my feet. I don't have a foot fetish. Nothing against foot fetishes though. But I just love my own personal feet and my son's feet. Because I mean, I made those feet. But yeah, that's beside the point. What I'm trying to say is that when you go to a nail salon, you get, I would say, top-notch quality. That will last you at least, I would say, at least a full week, if not 2 weeks, going on 3. But doing it at home, you're lucky if you get a full day, 2 full days out of it, depending on what you do. Now, if you're not in the sink washing dishes or washing bottles or changing diapers and putting diaper rash cream on all day, every day, then maybe my nails wouldn't have chipped as much. But because that's my life now, before I never used to have to do that, and you know, my nails always stayed looking good. But now that that is my life, my nails chip like crazy. So I would prefer to spend a little extra money at the nail salon and feel pampered from someone doing my nails than having to do it at home, but to have a quick fix while my son is taking a nap, just to make myself feel better, and when I look down, make my hands feel better. I wouldn't mind painting my nails every few days. Now, even though my nails are chipped right here, yeah, they don't look good, but they don't look horrific. My 2 pinky fingers, they still have full polish on. This thumb still has full polish, no chips. So just because I work with my hands a lot now, they're gonna chip more. But like I said, a quick little easy fix to make myself feel good and feel more put together as a mom, this will work in my favor. But if you're looking for a long lasting, like 2-3 weeks like at the nail salon, girl, this ain't it for you. Unless you don't do nothing. You know, you don't wash dishes, you don't do nothing, then maybe. But for me, it don't work. But I feel like I'm going on too much, but as a mom, I need to feel good. Because if I don't, I feel like I'm slumped over, like, oh, I'm so tired. But when I feel put together and my toes look good and my nails look good, then I feel good. So for me, this is like an 80% win, but I would still like to go to the nail salon every once in a while to get that, you know, full 3 weeks in, so my nails look good. But yeah, that's just a little review I wanted to do. Unfortunately, I'm going to let you guys know now. I did show you guys painting my nails, but you know, going through my camera trying to erase clips to make room for a vlog that I posted not too long ago, I accidentally erased the footage of me painting my nails. Self-explanatory, you paint your nails, you get it all over your skin, if you're like me. I got it all over my skin, so maybe it's good I didn't show you guys that. But yeah, it's just self-explanatory. I painted my nails and I wanted to show you guys if it lasted or if it was a which it was kind of like a but for me, a mama, it was a And someone asked me about my coffee shirt that I wore in my vlog, which I believe it was the day in the life of an 8-month-old when I showed you a little clip of me filming. I'm also wearing this Blessed Mama shirt. I got these at Kohl's. They were on sale for like $5 each. I got like 3 or 4 of them. Of course, different sayings, not the same ones, don't worry. But you can get them at Kohl's. Just go to Kohl's and look at the t-shirts. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that that's what I was wearing. And for me, I like this product. I'm the type of person that I do like to pamper myself, but being a new mom, like I really just don't have the time. But to do like a little quick nail application to make myself feel more put together, I really do enjoy it. But this right here, I'm going to let you guys know now, this is not nail salon quality. So if you are looking to go get nails done, gel nails, or do your gel nails at home, I would just spend a little extra money and go to the nail salon because it will last you so much longer. But yeah, that's all I gotta say. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little review. Of course, I'm still gonna buy this product. I'm gonna buy more colors. Maybe it was the color that I bought that didn't work as good because it was super light. Maybe if I got a darker color, it wouldn't have chipped as much, but yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this review of gel nails at home. And if you have better luck with gel nails, let me know in the comments below. Maybe I did something wrong, I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!